Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to put a tempered glass for the Galaxy Watch 4. So this is the 44 inch basically 1.4 inch 44 mm 1.4 inch version. So we will be seeing how to put a tempered glass on it. I'll show you the right way to do that. It is for 900 rupees, but on discount right now it's available for 199. So basically 200 rupees you will get this. So I'll be putting the link below. So let's go ahead, see how to put it, and after that we'll be talking about what to expect from this, whether it's going to be case friendly, whether it's going to be good or not, whether you'll get bubbles or not. We'll be talking all about that in the end. So let's go ahead, start the video. Okay, so this is what we get. This is the box, M.G.R.J. It says tempered glass 44 mm 1.4 inches. So let's open this up. Okay, so there is another box inside. Now let's open this up too. Okay, so there's a smaller packet inside. Let's open this packet. And okay, so we have a few things here. So this is the sticker and the guide sticker and the dust absorber, so we'll use that later. You get a cleaning cloth, you get a disposable swab. So this has 70% alcohol, and then you get the tempered glass. So that's the small tempered glass here. So this is what you get for 200 rupees. So anyways, let's go ahead, put this on the watch now. So before we do anything, we have to clean it with this. Let's open this up. Now with this, we have to clean the watch properly. Now it's alcohol, so it'll dry off, so you don't have to worry about it. Now use the cloth to wipe it. Now ideally you should switch off the watch so you don't get the watch moving, the menu moving. But anyways, now this is the dust absorber. So a lot of people don't know what this does. So basically, even after cleaning, when you're going to put the tempered glass, you will see tiny speck of dirt coming and sitting on it. So if you use a cloth again, you'll get more dust. So just use the dust absorber to pick them up. Now this is important. So you have to use the guiding sticker on the glass. So put it on one side over here, and then take the second one. So there are three. You don't need to use three. I just used two of them. So, and one on the other side, one on the left, one on the right. And now remove this and guide it to the center. So make sure it's centered, and then just keep it down. That's it. It's done. Now just remove the guide sticker. Don't pull it out. Just take it out gently from the side, like that, and it's done. You see, no bubbles, no nothing. It's absolutely perfect, no issues. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So my experience with this was actually quite good. I've got this for my Galaxy S3, the Gear S3 Frontier, for the Galaxy Watch 3, and I got it for the S4. So one thing I noticed was all of them are regular plain glass. It's not something very thin or very different. It's regular one, but the quality is good, and you get the entire kit. And one thing I'm happy with is that the wet cloth, the alcohol swab, that had alcohol in it, so that was wet. So most of the time nowadays with most of the tempered glass, that pad is actually quite completely dry, so you will have to use water or something. So that's not good. So I like that. Second, the installation was quite easy. So with those two guiding sticker, which you don't get with a lot of other ones, with those guiding stickers you can actually guide right, align it right where you want it, and then put it. If you have a case around it, even with the case you can align it and put it in. So that's what I liked about this. The quality is quite good, and then and you've seen no bubbles, no nothing happened. So I really liked the quality for 200 rupees. I mean, I don't know whether it should be that expensive or not, because it was 900 rupees and on discount it's for 200 rupees. I don't know whether it's a good price, but if I look online and if I compare it, most of the tempered glass for the Galaxy Watch is quite expensive. This is the cheapest one. So even though this is the cheapest, the quality is quite good. No compatibility issues. I've tried it with the Spigen. So I've tried it with the Spigen one. On this, it was getting pulled out a little bit, but with the Rinky case, I did not have any issues. So this one by default is going in a little more because there is a lot of covering on it. So because of that, the tempered glass was coming out. So this is one thing you have to remember. If you are using one of these, like if you're using the Spigen rugged case, then the tempered glass will come off, but if you're using the Rinky one, then the tempered glass won't come off. So just remember that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.